Okay, here we go. We got 3 shots at it. I'm not going to do no jump cuts or anything, so I'm hoping to get it in on the first shot. If not, boo-hoo for me. Here we go. This is the first shot. I haven't putted or golfed in about 4 or 5 years, so wish me luck. This is for $1 million. Yeah! Right on! That was the one. First one went right in. That's about a 35-foot putt. Just kidding. So, we'll try another shot here. If I can get this one in. I was happy to get that first one in. Holy shit, that was awesome. Here's shot number 2. Oh, just hit the corner. That one don't count. Last putt, last putt. I'm happy just to get the hole in one though. That was awesome. Last one. So, wish me luck here. Hopefully I can get it. If not, at least I got one and I'm happy I got it on the first freaking shot, man. That was awesome. Get in there. Yes! 2 for 3, folks. Look at that. How do you like that shit? 2 for 3. That was awesome. I'll have to have a challenge with the wife later on. Yeah, we got to get going to town, but that was fun. Like I said, she's a beauty of a day here. So I'm gonna try to mount this camera backwards on the bike and see if we can take a video from the back side. Hope you enjoyed the review of the bike ride. But I gotta go get some water at Safeway. It's freaking hot. See you in a bit. That's the Hallett. I think within the next week or so we'll get a pass where we can go to the Hallett, the museum, and the tower. We'll be tourists at Port Francis for 3 of the attractions. Holy shit, it's busy up here. They're all waiting to come in to weigh their fish. The big tent.
And then I zero out the scale. Remove my basket and replace it with the basket with the fish in it. And the difference is the weight of the fish. Pretty simple. And then if they want to weigh the big fish, I can use my basket
It's like the weigh area. Filming it too, probably for the local cable station. Nice boats, man. Nice trucks too. Holy shit. The tower. I'll have to come up here next week maybe. Yeah, that's the bass tournament. Don't get drunk here on Saturday, but don't tell no one. I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Well, we're back home. I was going to try to cut this a little bit. We bought a lawnmower a few weeks ago, and it cost us like $40 at a garage sale. When we got home, we got a couple strips of our lawn done, and it died on us. And a buddy just stopped by and he showed me some of the things that are wrong with this lawnmower. As you can see here, this is cracked. So that's not a good thing. That's one of the issues. I guess we need a new blade. And then this thing here, I don't know what that is, but when you spin this blade around, the other side of it is missing. So you can see this is a good chunk of it is missing, so that's another issue. And then this bolt looks like it's taped on there somehow, so there's a few things wrong with this. I don't know how much of a fix that's going to be. I know the blade is going to cost us about $20-25, but to get a new bolt, I hope they include that. But this is the thing, I'm not sure what they charge for those kind of things. Because this one is totally cracked, and that's basically what holds the blade, I guess. But I'm gonna try cut what I can. I got the thing on the highest setting it can do, so it's not cutting real short grass. It looks like we're going to need some gas in there too. I'll put some gas in there and I'll start cutting so you guys can watch me cut grass. Ever fucking exciting, eh? Well, I did what I could here with what I had. The lawnmower wasn't in the best of shape, but I was at least able to cut the jungle down that we had for a lawn. So now if we can get an actual lawnmower in here that works, we could probably give her a good cut and get her nice and on par with our neighbor's grass. But for now, it's doing the trick anyway, so it doesn't look like total crap. Like, it doesn't look great either, but I mean, I did what I could with the tool that I had. And thanks to my buddy for coming over this evening and kind of fixing the lawnmower as best he could. I got the job done. So I'm done cutting grass for the evening. My girlfriend wants to try to cut across our driveway over there. And I'll let her attack that, and if there's anything left tomorrow, I'll get at that. But I think that might be it for today. I'll go and get a shower and change up. Other than that, if anything else pops up tonight, I'll let you know, or I'll bring my camera along. I think I'm going to go for a ride to my mom's house, but I'll bring the camera just in case. But if I'm not filming anything else, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in.